Candidates seek to avail the benefit of the EWS scheme introduced by the 103 Amendment to the Constitution of India for consideration of their candidature to the JEE Advanced Examination, which has been conducted on 27/05/2019. When the petitions were filed, the JEE examination was yet to be conducted on 27/05/2019 and wide order dated 24/05/2019, the petitioners were permitted to appear on a provisional basis in the JEE examination as EWS candidates as an interim measure. However, the order dated 22/05/2019 made it clear that the said provisional permission to appear in the examination was subject to the outcome of the writ petition and wide order dated 24/05/2019. It has been observed that I have permitted the petitioner to appear in the JEE Advanced Examination to be conducted on 27th May 2019. There is no reason that why the petitioner in this case should not be extended the same relief. Thus, apparently, the order dated 24/05/2019 is also as an interim measure. The grievance of the petitioners of both the petitions is identical, and thus the petitions have been taken up for adjudication wide this common judgment. The JEE main examinations were conducted in January 2019 and in April 2019, and the best score amongst the two examinations was to be considered for the eligibility and registration of the JEE Advanced Examination, and as an interim measure, the petitioners were permitted provisional appearance for the JEE Advanced Examination to be held on 27/05/2019. The petitioners contend the information bulletin was put up by the National Testing Agency. National Testing Agency has been added as the respondent number 2. The candidates who require scribe or reader will have to submit the request in writing to the Center Superintendent for the same along with disability certificate issued by the authorized medical officer at least 1 week before the examination date. The center superintendent will identify the scribe or reader from the students who are studying one class lower. He or she would be allowed to meet the scribe a day before the examination to verify the suitability of the scribe. 1 hour compensatory time will also be allowed to the candidates who are availing the facility of scribe or reader. The candidates are advised to look for the details at the time of admission. The applications were invited from candidates who wished to appear in the joint entrance examination in May, which was required to be undertaken to such admission in the engineering college in the country, including the Indian Institute of Technology (IIT). The petitioners submit that when they filed in the form for the joint entrance examination bracket main bracket 1, there was no separate subcategory of EWS earmarked for citizens who were eligible to avail the same, and that the duration of filling up the form for joint entrance examination bracket main bracket 1 was from 08/02/2019 to 07/03/2019. The petitioners submit that via a separate notification, the National Testing Agency spelled out the terms of the economically weaker section for permitting the candidates to specify such category. The petitioners submit that they could not look into the website of the National Testing Agency due to their preparation for the joint entrance examination. Affidavit of Director of National Testing Agency further indicates that in response to the public notice dated 02/03/2019, 37,395 candidates, and in response to the public notice dated 15/04/2019 issued by the National Testing Agency, 7,217 candidates changed their category to EWS. It is essential to observe that the public notice dated 15/04/2019 provided the last opportunity to the candidates to make correction in their category, including EWS. Stop.